Using this cool and simple transition in your clip or in any of your client clip, it will level up the video. And today let's create this simple brushstroke effect in After Effects and also create a template. So you can use this template in any editing software. Just stick with me that how you can create this. Open After Effects and create a composition and change the length of your video. It's totally depend on you. Then create a solid layer. Right click on the mouse and select the solid layer and select the black color. Then click on the transparency of the video here. Then select the black solid layer and create a rectangular mask as shown in the screen. Then on the effect and preset, add the turbulence display on the black solid and change the complexity to 10. Now we need to animate the mask path. So create a keyframe at the start and after 1 second create a keyframe. Then come to the start and change the shape like this as shown in the screen and let's play it. Looking nice. However, if you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe so it's help the algorithm to spread up to more people. Moving on, then create another mask here and we need to animate the same. After completing the first masked animation, then add few frame, create a keyframe here of second mask, one here and at the 2-second one here. The duration is totally depend on you and then come at the starting keyframe and change the shape as shown in the video. Let's play it and you can get the basic idea of the effect that how we can made it. Same duplicate the first mask or you can create a mask like I shown earlier. It's totally depend on you. And set the keyframe and animation like as shown in the video. After completing all, let's see how is it looking. It's looking nice. After that, change the first mask to inverted and set the other to subtract and you can always adjust the mask part accordingly. Now let's see our animation and it's looking good. Let's pre-comb this black solid and then add your footage just below the pre-comb layer and change the track matte of the first video to alpha and let's see how is it looking. And it is nice. And let's create a template. So select the pre-comb, go to the composition and add the render queue. Then change the format to QuickTime and the format option to animation and change the channel to RGB plus alpha. And you can select the output where you want the video and then hit render. After that, drag that video on the project and drag to the composition and change the channel to alpha. And see it's working. And you can use this template video in any editing software. And here is the thing, if you want to change the color of an eye, then watch my demon eye video in After Effects and create it.